Mand.io is really the best platform today. It's fully integrated, it's fast, reporting is great. They have a great support team responding to all the support questions, so we are a happy customer. Hello, my name is Bruno Lavit. I'm a release manager at Ping Identity. Ping Identity helps people simply and safely access the connected world. We are providing a cloud platform, multi-tenant, single-tenant, and we are also providing on-prem softwares. So we had a look to several vendors, Black Duck, Mand.io and another one, and we are looking for a fully automated solution which can be implemented in less than 1 day. With Mand, the benefit is that in half an hour, you have a scan, you can see the results on their SaaS platform, and it's fully automated. Today, we are using this platform to scan SCA, Docker containers, and also SaaS, so we have a complete, secure platform to scan the Ping Identity software. The AppSec security manager is really happy to have a single platform to scan everything, so he can generate a security report for all the Ping Identity softwares using a single solution. So using the AppSec program provided by Mand, we have everything in a single location, a single tool. It's really helping to generate this security report. Renovate is helping us to upgrade the dependency versions, to detect if a CVE is impacting our applications. If we are using a library with a high CVE, Renovate is able to detect that the version we are using is impacted by a CVE and automatically upgrade the version of this dependency. Because we are using Mand.io, we are able to save a lot of time and a lot of money. We trust the platform, we trust the automation, and because we have some automated report generating for Mand, some automated solution, we are able to deliver the software on time with no security issues. I would highly recommend using Mand.io because it's fully automated, fully integrated, it's really fast to implement and use, and it's providing some great results.